19 lane miles of city streets are set to be repaved or repaired. The project is part of the city's commitment toward a balanced asphalt pavement maintenance program. The locations are spread across 4 PAC districts and will include 3 neighborhoods. 27 streets will be impacted at a cost of $4.5 million. This year, the pavement repairs and repaving are being separated from any pavement preservation work. This was done to allow the pavement preservation to happen independently of the repaving and to make sure that it is applied at the most opportune time. Making sure that the right treatment is applied to the right road at the right time is a critical part of the city's maintenance program. The repair and repaving project is expected to take 4 to 5 months to complete.